it's outsmarting him. While the president organizes rallies, they organize silence. While he spends on BRE, they invest in reality. While if it targets emotions, they also target the institutions. And that's how professionals win over populists. They are slowly, quietly, and effectively winning. The 2027 formation is not a rumor. It's a roadmap. A political engineering project designed by two men who understand that Kenya does not need more promises. It needs structure and sanity. Dr. Fred Matiang'i prints the system. Kalonzo Musyoka prints the soul. Wakiungana pamoja, they could bring balance. The one thing Kenya has lost for so many years. But Ruto